Hey guys, welcome back to OB Toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my custom Plesiosaurus hybrid. Also, I'm going to be announcing the winner from the giveaway contest in my last video, so be sure to stick around and find out if you're today's winner. Now, I found this Plesiosaurus at Uncle Bob's Vintage Toys. He hooked me up with this thing, and right away when I saw it, I thought I could make something cool out of it. So we're going to be adding a turtle shell to this, as well as parts and pieces of a Scorpios Rex. So start thinking now what you guys want to call this thing, and when you come up with something cool, put it down in the comments. I always love hearing feedback from you guys. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel today, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, so make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. Alright guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch my process, and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. Alright guys, just about finished here. Have just a few more little details to add to this thing. But I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final result. But before we do, I wanted to make sure that everybody knows just a week away we are having the Toys for the Ages Toy Expo. This is my third year doing this show. I absolutely love all the people here. Meeting everybody, talking, hanging out. It's just like a whole weekend full of toys and fun. This is my setup from last year, and I'm going to be bringing double the amount of customs that you see here. We're going to have customs for sale as well as on display. But the cool part about this year is I'm bringing 3 customs that will be given away. One on Saturday and one on Sunday. These are the customs here that you'll be able to pick from. And the contest will be held at 1 p.m. on both days. So you have to be there before 1 o'clock to receive your ticket. And then we will pull tickets and announce winners. So check out the information here. If you can make it, come on out next Saturday and Sunday. Alright guys. We always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think of this thing? Do you like it? I think it's pretty simplistic in its colors and everything, but it really pops. I really enjoyed making this thing. Alright guys, well I'm going to show you what this thing looks like glowing in the dark. But before we do, we got to announce the winner from my last giveaway. So congratulations to Emmett Mays. And I'll be getting in contact with you and make sure we get this thing out to you as soon as possible. Congrats. Alright guys, blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, here we go. I have a ton of other customs on the channel here, so if you haven't seen everything, be sure to check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, be sure to check out my online toy store, shopobtoys.com. We have all sorts of toy lines there, but I especially have a lot of Jurassic stuff there, so I know how much you guys love the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World toys, so check that stuff out. And everything that you purchase there all goes towards supporting the channel, as well as Teespring. If you're looking for any kind of OB Toys merchandise, sweatshirts, posters, stickers, got a lot of stuff there, but all that helps support the channel. Also, a special thanks to all my OB Toys members. Really appreciate the support you guys have been giving the channel. And if you want to become a member, click on that link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, OB Toys out.